Today I'm going to be replacing the Downstream O2 sensor on this 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. I'm going to be using NTK or NGK 25733. It does not have California emissions up here in Canada, so we're just using the standard federal emissions. So this one got buggered up, a little snowy mishap. So it's pretty bent, and the wire's intact, but gonna need to replace it. So I've already hit it with some penetrating lube, and the first thing we're gonna do is remove that 10 mil bolt right here. It goes up into the vehicle there, and I believe I have to remove the carpet for that. So I will remove this little 10 mil bolt, and then we'll go up inside and see what we can do with the carpet. As always, remember proper safety footwear when working on vehicles. Okay, we got that little 10 mil bolt removed, and now we're inside on the passenger side. I just put my wrench kind of up into that hole where that grommet was, just to kind of feel where that comes through, and it's just more or less where your feet would sit. So I think we're going to start by removing this part here, and then peeling back the carpet just from the top there. So I'm just going to grab this guy off. Just a quick little twist, and then that pops out. Sorry about the light. And then this cover can just kind of slide. I'm gonna have to remove that. Okay, so we'll remove that, remove this with just a little flathead. And then there's a screw underneath here. Pull that out. I should pop this out. Okay, sorry, I needed two hands. So with that first part out, you kind of peel this back a little bit and get the carpet pulled back. Here's where it comes through on the floor. You follow that up, and it just plugs in right here. So we're going to unplug that and then feed it back down through the floor. Okay, so it's going to be a 22 mil wrench. If you have a O2 sensor wrench, I guess that's better, but this is all I have. So it's pretty stubborn right now. I'm going to see if I can loosen it. If not, we have a little persuasion, and yeah, we'll just try and get it off now. All right, so we're just going to give this a little persuasion with the heat. It's pretty stuck on there. Thankfully, the new one comes with some new anti-seize lubricant, so hopefully that'll help. Hopefully we don't have to do this again. All right, that was the ticket, so loosen that guy off and pull it out. All right. Okay, so here is the old one and the new one. Now you'll see there's this part here where we took that 10 mil bolt out. It looks like it's just attached with some zip ties. So I'm going to remove those zip ties and kind of line it up and put that bracket on the new sensor. Okay, we got that off, but it looks like what they've done is include this little zip tie in with the new sensor, and presumably that just goes around here, and then that guy fits into the hole where we took the bolt out of. Because this has a little rubber like jacket on it, which you can't get off. And so I don't know about sticking that into, putting the new one into that without that little rubber jacket sleeve. So probably just use this zip tie for now and get this done. Okay, we're back underneath, and I take that little protective plastic cap off. I think that just holds in the anti-seize lubricant. Go, and then we'll just put in the hole and finger tighten. I have to put the phone down here. I'm gonna be careful you don't cross thread anything, of course. There we go. Okay, we're finger tightened. And then they say about half a turn to 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. I think there's a foot-pound thing if you really want like 28 to 33 foot-pounds or something. Some torque, but it's about 3/4, I would say. Okay. So that's kind of where that zip tie will go, but I think we'll do that last. So we'll get this plug fed up through here, and then we'll attach it inside the car first. Okay, we're back up inside the passenger side, and here's the plug. We'll just route it back up, and it just plugs in right there. So we'll line up our plug. Snap. Okay. All tucked away. Looks good. And just pop underneath and get that ceramic plug sorted. Put you down again. Okay, that seems pretty secure. Go see what that looks like inside. Crinkled there, we'll just help it out. Good. Okay, I'll put all the carpet back and get that trim put back as well. All right, here's the zip tie they include. I'm not super stoked about this design, but that's kind of what it is. So, it's just jammed in the hole. Test it in, maybe. Alright, and then super secure. Maybe. Maybe it goes this way. Wicked. Awesome. That's good. Sweet. Okay. I don't know what we're going to do. Okay, so we're just going to go with this bracket that came off the original one. I don't know if that's right or not, but we don't really have an option at this point because that little plastic piece of junk broke. So I happen to have two little zip ties that I'll wrap around there, and we'll just put that little bolt in here to secure that. Now and snip off the ends after. Okay, now we just have to go clear the codes in the car, and hopefully that's that. Thanks for watching.